Place the machine face down. Remove the rubber foot. Remove 3 screws under the rubber foot. Remove 4 Torx screws. Starting from the top edge, pry open the cover. Remove the cover. Remove 4 screws. Disconnect and remove the battery. Remove 1 screw. Slide the SSD out of the connector and remove it. Remove 4 screws. Remove the shield. Peel off the tape. Disconnect the fan cables. Remove 3 screws. Loosen 3 captive screws. Release the EDP cable from the guides. Carefully peel off and remove the thermal assembly. Disconnect the cable from the pen holder. Disconnect and peel off the power button flat cable. Remove the pen. Remove 2 screws. Remove the pen bay. Disconnect and remove the flat cable. Remove 1 screw. Remove the power button board. Disconnect all the cables from the main board. Carefully lift and remove the main board. Remove 4 screws. Remove the speakers. Remove 8 screws. Remove the antenna module. Open the lid to a 270-degree angle and place the laptop lying on the keyboard. Remove 6 screws from the hinges. Detach and remove the LCD assembly from the keyboard bezel. Using a thin, non-metallic tool, peel off the hinge cover. Remove 7 screws. Carefully detach and remove the strip cover. Carefully pull out the 2 pieces of tape. Slide the LCD panel towards the hinge, then carefully rotate it 180 degrees. Disconnect the cables and remove the LCD panel. Remove 14 screws. Remove the hinge bracket. Remove the hinge assembly. Disconnect the camera cable. Peel off the microphone's flat cable and the microphone boards. Peel off the camera board and remove the assembly.